Write the program. So set content type application by MS Word I given. That's what it is displayed in MS Word. If you write vnd dot ms-excel, then in Excel sheet displayed. Like that, every software MIME types are there. If you specify like this, browser can recognize immediately that plugin opened. With that, it will display. That is the concept. Is it over? Now, without writing XML file also possible. How to write? That program will see now. Next concept, annotations. It is also studied in Core Java. Annotations. Note, annotations are meta tags that are used to pass some additional information to web container. Annotations are meta tags that are used to pass some additional information to web container about servlets, listeners, and filters. Annotations are meta tags that are used to pass some additional information to web container about solvers, listeners, and filters. Annotations are meta tags that are used to pass some additional information to web container about solvers, listeners, and filters. All annotations begins with @ symbol. The following annotations are used in solvers: @ web solver, @ web listener, @ web filter. The above all annotations are in jakarta.solid.annotation package. The following annotations are used in solids: @ web solid, @ web listener, @ web filter. The above all annotations are in jakarta.solid.annotation package. The above all annotations are in jakarta.solid.annotation package. Now what you can do is, no need to configure solid in XML. No need to configure listener in XML. No need to configure filter in XML. With annotation we can configure. Just one line. Is it over? See, for example, right click, new, solid. Java package, suppose basics. Suppose class name. Okay, here, 1 minute. I'll go for new project. File, new, dynamic web project. Okay. Something demo. Next. This XML not required now. See, I won't check. Now click on finish. Right click, new, solid. Now suppose demo, demo solid. Generic solid. Next, this URL pattern or something test. Okay. Next, it is not required. I'll remove. Finish. Now what will happen? Just you observe. Annotation not came. Okay, it is, I think, again XML generated. 1 minute. I didn't select, but generated this is. 1 minute. Myself, I'll write explicitly here annotation at WebSolid slash test. This annotation, if you write now XML not required, but if both are there, error comes. First you see error comes. Print writer pw equal to response dot
make a
get
platform
writer
there. Yahoo.
pw dot println html body bg color blue text yellow level 1 heading pw dot println welcome h1 close body close html close. Now print writer class control shift o. Now if I run, you'll get an error. Now server will not start. See, this error comes. This error, why this error is, annotation is there, solid XML is there. That is the reason this error comes, failed to start. Just what you do is, in this case, you remove XML or remove annotation. Any one you have to remove. Suppose we don't require this solid configuration, only this solid configuration I'll remove. Solid open, solid close, solid mapping close. Remaining okay, not a problem. I'll save. Again, while running only it will ask save. Run on server. Save. If both are there, error comes. Only one you have to write, either XML or annotation. Now it works. See, it is working. Now test. Now here XML configuration is not there. Now only solid annotation. What this annotation will do, it informs web container test is a URL pattern of demo solid. That notes I'll give. First example. After the description I'll give. Just note down. Program to demonstrate at WebSolid annotation. Program to demonstrate at WebSolid annotation. Program to demonstrate at WebSolid annotation. say almost 8 programs, little different, almost same style is from tomorrow onwards complete different again. I'll change HTML to solid communication programs, database connectivity I'll teach tomorrow, JDBC also. You prepare and come. JDBC solid I'm going to mix, solid JDBC HTML SQL, these all I'm going to mix. I'll give a description. In the above example, at WebSolid annotation, informs to web container, informs the following to web container. In the above example, at WebSolid annotation informs the following to web container. /test is a URL pattern of demo solid. In the above example, at WebSolid annotation informs the following to web container. /test is a URL pattern of demo solid.